Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Ensure the variable is declared with const, let, or var where you expect it, and that the module or file is loaded. Then, insert a console log labeled with the variable name just before the failing line. This proves whether the value is undefined or becomes undefined later. Once done, check asynchronous boundaries. Are you awaiting a promise or handling a callback? Make sure the source function returns a value before you proceed. You now trace the problem through asynchronous flows and scope. If you receive data from a promise, await it or chain. Then and handle errors with catch. Otherwise, the variable will be undefined when accessed. Next, inspect closures and parent scopes for shadowing or accidental reassignments. A same-name variable can hide the intended value. Use the debugger to step line by line, observe the call stack, and confirm where the expected value disappears, so you finish by applying a concrete fix and verifying behavior. If a value can be missing, provide defaults with nullish coalescing, or default function parameters. When appropriate, use equals for safe assignment. Refactor code to return values consistently, or centralize async handling so callers always await results. After updating, run the code and unit tests. Make sure to add assertion logs. If it still fails, check the network or input source. Intermittent undefined often means a failed fetch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.